in today's video, we're talking about how to build an AI coming soon page or a link in bio hub in minutes using Network Solutions AI website builder. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and I wanted to touch on this because if you're building something new, the fastest way to lose momentum is getting stuck in I need a full website first headspace. You don't need a full website to start. You really just need a clean page that tells people what's coming and a simple place to send people when they find you on social media. That is it. So by the end of this video, you'll know what Network Solutions is, how to create pages fast and connect them to your domain, and we'll even go over how to publish them so you can start collecting emails and sending people your offers with links right away. So let's go ahead and get into it. So let's start off with the basics. It's mainly a domain and website platform that lets you buy a domain name and build a website in the same place. The main thing we're talking about today is their AI website builder. So instead of starting with a blank page and trying to design everything yourself, the builder is going to walk you through step by step on how to do this very, very quickly. You can use it to build a lot of different things, but two of the most useful start now pages are a coming soon page, so your domain is live and you can start collecting emails, and a link in bio hub, so you can put one link in your Instagram or TikTok bio and send people to everything you want them to see. This is one of those tools that's not trying to be the most complex website builder on earth. It's just trying to get you from zero to publish without making you spiral. Now, if you don't already have a Network Solutions account and you want to get signed up, we do have an exclusive link down in the description below. So once you click that link, you can get signed up with one of the plans. So once you are logged in, this is what your homepage looks like. You've got websites over here. We've got domains, marketing, and everything in between. So we're going to go ahead and navigate to marketing, and we're going to start off with a coming soon page. So you'll want to go ahead and click customize. So you'll want to put your project title or business name and then what your domain is about, and then click submit. And then now we let the AI just go ahead and build the page for us. Okay, then we'll go ahead and adjust the headline. Maybe we'll do a headline like this. Okay, maybe we'll add something like this. Okay, you can add a contact form if you want, and then you can go ahead and click publish and you are good to go. That's how simple and easy it really is. Okay, then if we want to do a link in bio, we can go ahead and edit a link in bio and let the AI go ahead. Amazing. So now it's went ahead and created it for us. So it's got the, website name, headline, description. We can come in here and change this image right here. Probably want to add an image of you. You can go ahead and adjust the colors super easily. Again, their whole thing is just making it super simple and easy to have all of your links and create these pages really, really simple and quickly. Okay, see how easy that was? You can go ahead and add all of your URLs in here. You can adjust the button if you would like. So again, they really simplify everything. Okay, and then all you have to do is go ahead and publish. We did both of those in less than 5 minutes. So it's really, really quick, and you can create link in bio as well as coming soon pages very, very fast. So I wanted to touch on some of the key features. So one feature is the AI setup flow. You just answer a few questions about what you're creating, and the builder generates a design and page structure automatically. It's so helpful because it gives you a starting point instead of staring at a blank screen. Another key feature is simple editing. So once the AI creates the page, you can click into sections and change the text, swap images, remove sections, and then add new sections without needing to touch any code. A third key feature is that your domain and builder can live together in one place. You buy your domain through them, and then you can connect it to your page without jumping through a bunch of separate platforms. Another feature that's really important is that for link in bio pages, it easily generates those link buttons. So you can build a clean list of buttons or links and update them whenever you need to, so your link in bio always stays current. And finally, this is built for speed. Coming soon pages and link hubs do not need to be complicated. You need to get something up and very clear, and this tool is designed exactly for that. Now, let's go ahead and touch on some of the pros and cons. So one of the biggest pros is speed. You can go from nothing to a live page super quickly, which is the whole point of this. If you tend to overthink, having the AI generate a first draft makes it so much easier to move forward. Another pro is simplicity. Editor is designed for basic site needs, so it's not filled with confusing features you don't need. For coming soon pages and link hubs, that's a really good thing. You're not trying to build a huge site right now. It's also nice having the domain and builder in the same place. That just reduces the chances of messing up a connection step or getting lost between multiple accounts and dashboards. Now, on the downside, it's not built for people who want total control over every design detail. If you love tweaking layouts for hours and you want everything to be fully custom, you're probably going to feel a bit limited. Another possible downside is that as your business grows, you may eventually want a bigger website setup with more advanced features. But for getting started and launching fast, this is a really great place to start. Now let's touch on the different plans and pricing options. So they have a couple different options here. They've got the starter, essential, and premium. So the starter plan is just $2.99 per month for a 1-year term. With this, you get the drag and drop website builder. So you get the one website, 15K visitors, 25 FTP accounts, about 10 gigabytes of space, 5 email boxes, and unmetered bandwidth. Then they've got the essential plan, which is $4.99 per month, billed yearly. With this, you get the drag and drop website builder, 1 year free domain, 1 year free SSL certificate, 3 websites, 50K visitors, 50 FTP accounts, 20 gigabytes of space, and 1,000 email boxes, and then unmetered bandwidth. Lastly is the premium, which is $6.99 per month for a year term. You get everything in the essential plan, but you get more websites, more visitors, unlimited FTP accounts, more disk space, and unlimited email inboxes. Again, make sure you use our link to save up to 68% on these plans. I would highly recommend using Network Solutions if you want to launch a simple online presence super fast. If you're building a personal brand, starting a project, launching a product, or just trying to get your domain live without stress, this is such a great fit. It's also a really strong option if you want your link in bio page to live on your own domain instead of using a separate link tool. This gives you more control and keeps everything under your brand. This is probably not the best fit if you already know that you need a large multi-page site with advanced features and custom design. If you're at that stage, you may want a more complex builder. I know how overwhelming it can feel when you're trying to build something new and feel like you need to have everything figured out before you can even start. You really don't though. You just need something live that gives people a clear next step. If you want to go ahead and check out Network Solutions, the link is down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to breaking down AI tools in a simple way so you can build and launch faster. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.